Garrett Hamby with Crosby Roofing, currently at 631 Braekel Way, representing Desiree Johnson family in regard to a recent insurance claim that they filed. And as you can tell, insurance was out, set up the quadrants. They deem it's repairable. So I'm going to be doing a repairability test based off the age. The pipe bits were manufactured in 2011, so I believe the roof is at least 13 to 14 years old. This is the back slope. It's one full facet, all tied in together. Over 22 wind damage shingles on the back. And on the front, pretty simple. Just got three facets, right side. Even from what the adjuster marked up, there's about 5, with obviously woven valleys. So if it is not repairable, then obviously woven valleys will not work. Have to have a cali cut, as y'all know. More damage on the front here. About 6 on the front. There's test quadrant from the adjuster. I did bring up weatherwood shingle that I'll be using in my repairability test, and I'm just gonna do it, I mean, literally right in the heart of this test quadrant, and see what we get. So this time we'll be conducting the test. Let's see if I can. So I'm gonna try to flip the camera around, but I don't believe I'm gonna be able to since I've already started it. So patient with me, I'm using a tripod to try to set this up. Just do it right here. It's as good as any other. So I'll be testing right here. As you can tell, there's currently no damage around it, at least this actual one I'll be conducting it on. All right, let's get it started. So this is the end here. I'm gonna have to work my way over here. was removed. Just from that, you can tell it's caused a little bit of damage in here, across here. But that being said, I'll continue the test, putting in the new shingles. Let's see if I can set this up a little bit better. There we go. Perfect match. That was not intentional, but hey, worked out. So, as a result, here's the new shingle here. Obviously, it's caused a little bit more damage, especially this one here, and then the far left one, which obviously had to be removed. Let's put the new one in. So based off my test, I believe this is a failure and would need to be